Right. It is now day 14 of me making live cold calls. If you're interested in checking out the first 13 days of me making this progress on my transition, sorry, I'm still waking up, of my transition of making cold calls, definitely check out the playlist. It'll be in the description or it'll be towards the end of this video. So, I'm actually going to start off this video um, doing some warm calls with a few clients that have already prospected, make sure everything's still going according to the plan, make sure everything's still in line for the schedule, and then I'll probably slip in some cold calls. So now you got the gist of what I'm doing. Let's pick up the phone. This guy's name's Sam. Hello?
Hello.
Sam, hey, how you doing? It's Bernard.
Hey, what's going on? How are you?
I'm good, man. Life is good. I just wanted to check in with you. I haven't talked to you in like a week or so just wanted to see how life was coming for you and get an update as far as you making the content videos or what we talked about last time. How's that coming along?
It's coming along. I'm still working on it, but it's coming along. Trying to get everything together.
Okay. But yeah, I just wanted to touch base with you because I haven't talked to you in like, well, it said last time we talked was on the 15th, and you know, I just wanted to just check in on you, make sure everything was all good with you and whatnot.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yep. Like I said, hopefully should be good to go. Sometime first week in February. But yeah, I'm working on the videos and trying to get everything together.
Awesome, man. Yeah, so I got it that we supposed to get everything going around, like you said, the first week of February. So I got it on my calendar like the 5th through the 8th. That somewhere around that time frame still work for you?
Correct.
Okay. Well, yeah, Sam. Feel free to reach out to me anytime, man. I just wanted to check in and see how you was doing. Make sure you know you're okay and you're good and whatnot.
Yes, I appreciate it, man. Thanks so much.
For sure, Sam. I'll talk to you soon, man. Have a good rest of your afternoon.
Yes, sir. All right, you too.
All right, boom. And it's as simple as that. You know, I haven't talked to that man. Sorry, I'm still waking up. I haven't talked to that man since January 15th. Today is January 23rd. So it's been about 8 days. I wasn't really looking to close the deal. I just wanted to, you know, see how he was doing. I want to keep myself fresh inside of my client's memory, right? Like, I don't want to just call them and, you know, weeks go by and then they forget and they go, wait, what was we doing again? So, yeah, that's a go. And as you heard on the phone, that sounds like it's going to be a hot lead, meaning that around February 5th through February 8th, it's going to deposit the money. They say he's still working on creating the videos right now. So around the first week of February, he should be good to go, and I can begin launching ads for his business. Let's check in on some other clients. And actually, this video, I'm just going to show you how to follow up with clients. You know, after you set the meeting, after you close this deal, get the money, so on and so on. Because that way, you know, be honest with you, I have started a new eBay business with my best friend, good friend of mine. I know him since I was like 5 years old. So I don't think I'm going to be able to continue making cold calls on Saturday. So I'm just going to stick to my Monday through Friday schedule. Just take the weekends off to focus on my eBay business. But let me call one more client just to see how everything's going. We'll see if he'll pick up or not. All right, he didn't pick up, but you get the gist of how to make sure that your warm leads still are in the phase where they're hot leads. Because, you know, when we first started calling, the cold leads, we want to go from cold, warm, hot. Now, the client that I first called, in the beginning of this video. He was a warm lead, and now, you know, I just want to check in on, make sure he's doing good, you know, because like I tell all my clients, I invest in people, not in businesses. So I want our relationship just to be more than just, you know, I do business with you, you do business with me. Like, you're an actual human being. Like, you're a human being watching this video behind this, you know, me talking to you. So I like to treat everyone the same. But yeah, that's how you keep your warm clients and turn them into hot clients. If you got any value out of this, I appreciate if you could just smash that thumbs up button. If you want to subscribe to the channel, you can subscribe. I'm not forcing that option anywhere. I just want organic subscribers who are actually interested in the videos that I had to produce. So that's up to you. But yeah, that's going to be it. I will see you on Monday. This has been day 14 of live cold calling. I'll talk to you soon. See you on my next video.